Okay. Hey guys! Hey guys, it's Carla, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my eyebrows. Not really the type of person to make these like type of like makeup videos, but people like been asking me to do a video, so you know why not do it. And sorry if like I sound a little like weird because I've been sick and I'm just trying to like try to work with me, you know. So yeah, and I've been going through a lot right now, and I'm just trying to like I think about it, you know. I'm just trying to figure things out right now, and hopefully I upload this very soon. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get to it. The first thing I do, I just comb my eyebrows. Then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Granite. Just like that. Just grab a little bit of product. And also I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow, the number 12. You can barely see it because it's like faded off. What I first do is I line the bottom of my natural eyebrow. So like down here. I usually start like in the middle. Do small strokes. Like that. And then I come in a little bit closer. Then I also do the top. And I kind of like work my way forward. And then blend it a little. And then I add more product on this side to give it that like fade effect. Ah, it's not focusing. Hopefully get a new camera soon. If you want that fade effect, you just like kind of hold the brush lightly and you kind of just like do that. And I blend it. So after I do that, I grab my concealer. I'm using the Morphe M421. This is the brush. And I'm gonna use the Pro Concealer in Pure Beige. I also kind of mix it with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the shade Light Medium. This is kind of like too light for me. So I'm just gonna grab my brush and conceal. First do the bottom, and I'm gonna do small strokes because so you won't like, you know, mess up. my god. Why does it look like that? And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. In this part, I'm gonna just fast forward to it. After this, I'm gonna apply foundation, but I'm not gonna do it on camera. So yeah, I really appreciate those who watch my videos, like and comment. It really means a lot to me. Leave a comment down below what type of video you want me to do, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell to be notified when I post my next video. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye.